Hi all, welcome back to the new series of video I'll be posting from now on, which solves some of the SQL questions in LeetCode. If you are aspiring to become a full-fledged data analyst, then you've landed onto the right channel. In this channel, I'll teach data analytics using SQL and Python. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends who are interested to learn coding and which will help them land a high-paying job. In this video, let's solve one of the interesting interview questions. So the question is to find the second highest salary from employee data. So let me draft out how the data looks in the table. So employee table will have two columns. One is ID, the other one is salary. And ID will have 1, 2, and 3. And salaries will be 100, 200, and 300. This is the data given for us from LeetCode. And the solution they're expecting is to find the second highest salary. Let me write that out here. The second highest salary, if you see from the table, it will be 200. Right, let me write it out. That is 200 if I mark it here and write that down here in the results. So this is the expected outcome. So here is an explanation on how we are approaching this problem. First, let's find the highest salary and then exclude that from our data. And then if we find the highest of the remaining values, that will be the second highest salary. So that is, if we find the select max of salary from our employee table, we will get the max of salary from the table, that is 300 in this case. So if we this query will fetch out 300, which will be pointing at the max of the value, that is the last value. And if we try to get the max of salary now the salary, it's the max of salary from the same employee table, where the salary is lesser than 300. So from the above query, we know that select of max of query from employee table will fetch us 300. So what we can do is we can replace this 300 with the above query. So here what we do is where salary is less than select of max of salary from employee table. So what happens? We get all the other values on the left side of the value, that is for salary we will have 200 and 100, which will exclude 300 here in this case, right? So right side will be 300 and left side will be 200 and 100. So here if we see the maximum of 200 and 100, the value will come up as 200, so which is our expected outcome. So then let's write this in a query and see if the solution is accepted by the LeetCode. So select max of salary from the employee table where salary is less than select max of salary from employee. Let's run this solution and see if it works out fine for all the cases. Let me type it out. Yeah, let me run it. Let's see if the solution is accepted for all the cases. Yeah, the solution is accepted. Let me submit and see what is the score. Our score, it ran in 233 seconds and our score is 90%, which is considered one of the high score. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.